welcome to the last couple days of 212. So should be wrapping up. Hopefully those you already have your server project in, your mop done. There's more submissions in, so I'll start looking at those today. The course grades are due in by Thursday. I stopped grading by Tuesday night. So then this doesn't mean like Tuesday midnight. That's probably I stopped grading about Tuesday around dinner time. So to make sure to get those any outstanding items in. With this course, it was mostly Cengage items. If any grades didn't transfer over, make sure you get a hold of me. As I've been mentioning in other courses, Google Hangouts is linked to my phone, so that is probably the quickest way to get a hold of me. With that, I'll start grading these assignments later on today, and they should be ready to submit for grades Thursday. That means by Friday morning, I think it used to be the Front Range server. Now it's the CCCS server. The Front Range server used to update it in the morning at like 4 a.m. I would assume that the CCC server would do the same update in the AM hours of the next day. So you should see those grades posted Friday in eWolf. Don't look in D2L. Make sure you go to eWolf and look at those transcript grades. Get a hold of me quick. The grade changes are easy to do. They're just a form that I fill out on my side. That's it. Have a good end of the semester. It was really cool looking at the class that Eddie built and being able to teach it. Eddie will take over this class from now on, and I will probably jump to CNG 212 and look at designing CNG 257 for online. So if you guys are looking for those two, know that they are in the works for coming online. They just need to be signed off on it, and then I'll develop those courses. And with that, you guys have a good semester. Reach out. You're more than welcome to hang out in that Google Hangouts. I just leave that open all the time. Feel free to ask questions there. Feel free to shoot me an email. Once again, I hardly ever log into the Front Range email. It's easier for me just to log into D2L because that's where I usually mess around with courses and in there a lot more than I am in my email. And you guys have a good end of the semester. Enjoy Christmas. Be safe on New Year's. If this is your last class, make sure to put you have skills. You guys learned a lot of skills in this course. You learned take a quick look at what you guys did learn. And these are all skills you can put in into your resume. Course by week. This introducing Windows Server. That one's installing. So you learn how to install Windows Server, core, manage. Basically, at this point, 2016 server management administration could be a key aspect in your resume. Backups, implement use and storage. I think that was quotas. Create Hyper-V. We looked at DHCP. Hyper-V is another skill you can put on your resume. Remember that when you're making your resume out for the world, not only to use their wording, copy their wording word for word, and then integrate it into your resume. As a student, you worked in groups, and you did teamwork when creating new DHCP scopes, on virtual machines. And that's kind of how your description will roll for that job title as a student. Creating new virtual hard drives. You guys have a lot of skills. Like I said, skills that employers are looking for. There are graduates at Microsoft west of Cheyenne. There's a lot of students actually in that one from Front Range. There are students over at a few contractors at HP. So there's never a shortage of jobs. There's always people looking to hire network security or network technology students because you guys know Microsoft Server. Of course, if you're going for Microsoft Server, the Microsoft one would be a target. If you know Linux, there are many other positions at HP to go to. But remember to prepare yourself, align yourself for exiting Front Range as successfully as you can, because you're ready. You're ready to take the 7440 or 740 examination. Just on the taking this class, and hopefully you got the Kaplan start reviewing for that certification. That's where I'll leave you guys today. Make sure to get those projects in so I can start grading them. Probably take me a while to work through all of your documentation and your presentation. And if you need to get a hold of me, Google Hangouts probably the quickest. Still, you guys once again have a wonderful Christmas, Happy New Year, and if I see you in another class, great to see you again.